What's up YouTube, Randall4578 here, and tonight I'm going to be doing a fireworks show for you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more of them. Right, let's do this.
I don't piece of crap though. Okay. Dude, you want to go up to the sky a little bit.
It's really dark over here though, because it's...
I can actually hold one.
You guys do it over here, because I can't really, because everything's like dark over there.
I need you to light that out.
Come over here, because there's light over here, because I need light
I know.
in order to really film. Okay. Here we go, YouTube.
Still afraid of the right though. Like the green tip on the bottom.
How will hold it up in the sky. Go. Woo!
I know it's smoky as hell.
Ready, Owen?
Yeah.
Put it up higher in the sky. Like pull it up like up
If you
here.
have it too high up, it'll like shoot the ashes down to your hand.
Well, don't. Well, put
Second match?
put it on the ground and fire it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
You can do this also. I can move it.
Here, you grab that that Powerade bottle.
No.
You don't have to. You can just stick it in every time. Okay.
Okay.
Second one.
Here we go.
Oh, you better freaking move. Move, Owen, move.
Oh crap.
Yeah, it kind of stuck in the ground.
Oh yeah, I realized you stick them in.
Flash grenade.
Just realized you stick. Let's be gentle, or else I can't shoot. The whole thing.
Okay, you have any more of them?
No,
That's it.
that's it.
All right, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more of them. Randall4578.
Wait. I'm Owen McIsaac. How are you doing?
And please subscribe for more videos. All right, Randall4578 signing out.
Kill!
Subscribe.